So wondering what to do with this pineapple peel? You know how you making all those juices that you have pineapple? Well, you actually can make tea with the pineapple peel. And this tea is super delicious, and it's good if you have a cold or a flu. And it's just 4 simple ingredients. So we have cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and that good old pineapple peel. So let's get started. Let's make some. All right, so first we need to boil our water. So add about 4 cups of spring water to your pot, and then we're gonna let that warm up. And once it starts boiling, we're gonna add our ingredients. Okay, and while our water is boiling, we're gonna slice up our ginger. So we're gonna add our pineapple peel, add our ginger, cinnamon stick, and we're gonna add some cloves. And then we're gonna turn the heat down to a simmer, and we're gonna let that just simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. All right, now you know it's ready when it starts to have that sweet aroma. It has your kitchen smelling real sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that off. We're gonna take it and we're gonna strain out all the liquid. So you can drink this tea either hot or cold. Either way, it's super delicious. And you can store this in your refrigerator up to 7 days and it's still good. And you can also add either honey or maple syrup if you like it a little sweeter, but I like it just like this. And so if you or anybody in your household is dealing with a cold or flu, or if you simply want a delicious tea to help boost your immune system, get you some pineapple peel going on.